Right. In last class, two systems completed angle measurement. One system is the most important system, that is circular system. Circular system, very important concept in trigonometry. In circular system, we discussed about relation between degrees and radians. Already in sexagesimal system, discussed about degrees, 360 degrees, complete rotation. Straight rotation 180 degrees, straight rotation 90 degrees. Here circular system discussed about the angle measured in radians. Okay, what is radian? What is radians? We're discussing now. Grades is there, that is centesimal system, that is not necessary, is not using. Okay, in trigonometry, but actually we almost 90% we are using in problems or in other concepts using circular system and that sexagesimal system, means degrees and radians only. Total problems based on degrees and radians. First of all, circular system means the angle measured in radians. Angle measured in radians. What is radian? What is radian definition? This is very important definition, radian. Some members is don't know. Please listen. Radian means in a circle. I am taken one circle. Center of the circle is O. O to one fixed point I am taken A. O to A distance. What is the O to A? One definition is there in a circle from center to fixed point distance. It is nothing but radius. That OA distance, it is nothing but radius. This OA length equal to length of the arc. Length of the arc of the circle. It is also one radius. OA equals to this from center to fixed point distance. That OA length equal to length of the arc AB. Length of the arc AB. That is radian. That radius of the circle equal to, please write down. Radius of the circle equal to length of the arc. Length of the arc. Length of arc of the circle. It is radian definition. This is equivalent. After that, your OB distance also, I am joining these two lines, these 2 points, O and B. Is also radius. Is also radius. Total how many radius is there? 3 radius. This is 3 radius is called, that is radian or radians. Radians is nothing but radians. What is radian definition? The definition of the radian, radius of the circle equal to length of the arc. Radians nothing but these 3 radius equal to radians. After that, this is the radian definition. Radius of the circle equal to length of the arc. After that, here what is degree relation between degrees and radians? Before we discussed about one complete rotation how much, one straight rotation how much, one right rotation how much. First of all, what is circumference of the circle? Circumference of the circle. Already you know formula, that is 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. After that, number of arcs in a circle. Number of arcs in a circle. How many arcs? This is one arc. Number of arcs in a circle. What is the definition of the radian? The radius of the circle equal to length of the arc. That is radian. Here I am asking number of arcs in a circle how many? I am taking 2 pi. Correct or not? That only. Here one length of the arc equal to 2 pi means, so one length of the arc means r means how many r's is there here? How many r's is there? That r is 2 pi times of r only. 2 pi times of r only. Number of arcs also 2 pi. It is correct or not? I have to check. Number of arcs of the circle 2 pi only. Because total I am asking number of arcs in a circle, complete circle, that is compulsory 2 pi only. It is correct or not? Check, no problem. 2 into 5 means how much? 3.14. 2 into 3.14 how much? That is 6.28 arcs. Number of arcs in a circle equal to how much? 6.28 arcs. Correct or not? This is one arc. This is same equal length you taken. This is one arc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here some distance is there na? Here some distance is there, that is 0.28. Total 6 arcs. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is some distance is there, that is 6 plus 0.8, that is 6.28 arcs. Okay, you measure that by using compass also you can calculate. Compulsory you get 6.28 arcs only. That 6.28 nothing but 2 pi only. Number of arcs in a circle 2 pi. Number of arcs in a circle 2 pi means one complete rotation equal to how much? One complete rotation equal to how much? Number of arcs is 2 pi. Compulsory one complete rotation equal to 2 pi radians. R nothing but radian. Na? Length of the arc equal to radius of the circle means 2 pi. That is 2 pi radians only. 2 pi radians only. This number of arcs equal to 2 pi. Then complete rotation also 2 pi radians only. Simple. After the 2 pi radians means one straight rotation how much? One straight rotation equal to, straight means compulsory, that is 5 radians only. 5 radians. One right rotation equal to how much? One right rotation equal to pi by 2 radians. Pi by 2 radians. This is in radians concept. Next we discussing about what is relation between degrees and radians. Next, relation between degrees and radians. What is the relation between degrees and radians? One complete rotation equal to how much? 2 pi radians. 2 pi radians. In circular system, one complete rotation equal to, in circular system 2 pi radians. In degrees how much? In sexagesimal system the degrees is 360 degrees. In degrees is 360 degrees and radians is 2 pi radians. After that 2 pi radians equal to 360 degrees. This is relation between degrees and radians. Relation between degrees and radians. Degrees and radians. Okay. Relation between degrees and radians. This concept, please see that. One complete rotation equal to 2 pi radians, that equal to 360 degrees. After that 5 radians equal to, so 1 radian here dividing with 2 pi. Here dividing with 2 pi. 2 pi cancel. 1 radian equals to 360 degrees by 2 pi. 360 degrees by 2 pi. I am dividing with 2 pi both sides. After that 2 pi cancel. 1 radian equal to 360 degrees by 2 pi. After that 360 degrees by 2 pi means 2 into 22 by 7. After simplification 360 degrees into 7 by 44. After simplification we get 57.29 degrees. You get 57.29 degrees. This is the relation between degrees and radians. One radian value is, in terms of degrees, 57.29 degrees. Okay, this is the relation between degrees and radians. One radian nothing but it is denoted by 1 power c. Actually degrees are denoted by 1 power 0. Grades are denoted by 1 power g. Here 1 power c equal to 57.29 degrees. 1 radian equal to. This is relation between degrees and radians. 1 power c equal to 57.29 degrees. Okay, this is the concept. One more relation is there. Relation between degrees and radians. 1 degree equals to 180 by pi radians. By using the 3 system, please observe it is correct or not, please check. The 3 system, centesimal system, sexagesimal system, this is circular system. This relation correct or not, please check that. 1 degree equals to 180 by pi radians equal to 0.001745 radians. And 1 radian is equal to pi by 180 degrees. Pi by 180 degrees equal to 57 degrees, that only 57.29 degrees. 1 radian equals to pi by 180 degrees equal to 57.29 degrees. Same relation here. 57.29 degrees. These are the relation between degrees and radians only. Relation between degrees and radians. This is a concept. Please check that. Okay. This is the radians concept. Very important concept. Any doubts is there? Please comment me. I will reply to your question. Okay. After that, pair of angles. It is simple. Already you know types of pair of angles. Types of angles completed. 6 angles already I am discussed. Pair of angles. A comma B are any 2 angles. Are any 2 angles. A comma B are any 2 angles. A plus B equals to 180 degrees. It is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. A plus B equals to 90 degrees. It is complementary angles. A plus B equal to 180 degrees, A plus B equal to 90 degrees. They are supplementary angles is 180, complementary angles is 90. They are pair of angles, types of pair of angles. One more angle is there, it is very important. Cyclic angles. What is cyclic angles? Cyclic angles, it is nothing but I am taken one circle, one quadrilateral I am taken in circle. After that I am giving names A, B, C, D. Here I am taking diagonals, joining diagonals. How to joining diagonals? Sum of the diagonals equal to A plus C equal to 180 degrees and B plus D equals to 180 degrees. They are cyclic angles. A plus C means it is half of the circle or not? AC. It is half of the circle. A plus C means compulsory, that is 180. And it is also half of the circle. B plus D equal to 180. They are cyclic angles only. This total pair of angles. Cyclic supplementary angles, complementary angles, cyclic angles. Okay. In cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the diagonal elements. Cyclic angles means definition. Please see the definition. In cyclic quadrilateral, this is called cyclic quadrilateral. This total. Cyclic quadrilateral nothing but in a circle we draw a quadrilateral, that is nothing but cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the diagonals equal to 180. That is called cyclic angles. Okay. These are the types of pair of angles. This is total angles concept completed. Okay. Any doubt is there? Please comment me. I will reply. Total angles concept completed. Trigonometric ratios and basics also completed. Next class I will discuss about some problems. Okay. And some more inverse trigonometry is there. Trigonometric equations also I will discuss. Please subscribe and share. Okay. Thank you.